If you've got an old ice box you're not doing anything with, I'll show you how you can turn it into a live bait tank quite easily. I got this kit. I had it from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. But with this one you don't need to drill any holes. It's got little suction fittings inside. You can either drill a little hole to run the wires through the top of the ice box, or you can just run them over the lid. So then you don't have to wreck your ice box then. There we are. So this is a Coleman ice box. I bought a better one than this. I didn't find it very good as a cooler. So rather than throw it away, make use of it. Just keep a few mackerel alive for tope fishing or whatever. Right, let's see what we got in the kit. This up. Okay. Okay, we got a pipe. There's some fittings there. Okay. And that's the little bilge pump fits in these suckers there. Put that on the bottom there. I'll just obviously fit in there. It's pretty straightforward how it all goes. Yep, so that'll sit in there. Okay, let's get it inside and have a look at that. Right. Yeah, what I like about this idea is it's not permanent. There we are. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, that's stuck down there, right? Let's give it a shot. Pretty straightforward. That's the spray bar that comes with it. I might look into if I can extend that to make it more full length, but we'll have a look how it goes now. Okay, there's the fittings there. It's also, oh, that's handy. Comes with the little alligator clips. Put on a battery. I would recommend running this through a little fuse holder as well, just in case something goes wrong. It'll pop a fuse then. Right, so that'll go. That goes on there. This is really simple. Yeah, it's a nice snug fit that is actually. Be nice. Just push that under the bilge pump. Okay. Oh, it's that simple, isn't it? Right, it comes with this cup, suction cup holders for the pipe, or you can stick them on with these double-sided tabs. Let's see how it works like that. Yeah, they stick all right. I'll put that over there actually. It is that it's that simple, guys. I'll fill this up with water now and then get a connection to the battery and we'll see how it looks. Oops, soaking it. Right, just connect that up. So. Ah, that works quite well, doesn't it? You see there's plenty of bubbles going on there. Yeah, I think I will look into extending that pipe, make that a bit longer. Yeah, that looks good to me. There we are, the lid will close quite happily on them wires, so I wouldn't bother drilling a hole. That can always be used as an icebox again, yeah. So yeah, we can easily keep a few mackerel in there, keep them alive for a while. That bilge pump's only 250 gallons per hour, it's not going to use loads of battery power. Yeah, that should go all day. I'll just put a bit more water in it and we'll have a look at it again. Yeah, just with a bit more water in it. Yeah, that's better. I was annoying me around with the splash for that. Yeah, I think I would prefer it with a longer pipe. That's going to be easy enough to sort out. So there's plenty of bubbles going in there, so it's going to work perfectly just like this. Yeah, so that is a very cheap live bait tank if we've got one of these laying around. Even better, like that kit was 30, I think it was £35 around thereabouts. I did get it from Amazon. I think it did come from America, but it didn't take long. It took about 5 days. So yeah, that's good. Yeah, if you did want to do your own live bait tank, hopefully this will give you an idea. I'm glad I didn't get rid of this ice box. Now it'll be very useful during the summer. Thank you for watching.